Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to find and watch TikTok live streams. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to find and watch live streams on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Now click on this search bar and right here you can search their live streams from here and watch by searching it. Like I'm going to search the Quicket live streams. You can see here Quicket live streams. In this way you can easily search your live streams on your choice and see from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.